Hi everyone, it's Chris here from OPMC, and you're probably wondering about support for PHP 8 for our Odoo WooCommerce plugin. Well, given some of the security limitations or security benefits of PHP 8, our plugin doesn't currently support the ability to work with Odoo using PHP 8. So what we have had to do is create a whole new system which creates a bridge between Odoo and our plugin, and we've been spending a lot of time developing that, making sure it's reliable and robust. So what I want to tell you today is that it's coming soon, and we will make an announcement about that once it's ready for customers to trial. The trial will be an opportunity for us to get feedback from customers and make sure that that integration and that support for PHP 8 is working really nicely, really reliably, and the trial will be free. So we will keep you posted. We're just as keen as you are to get PHP support for Odoo, and so we'll be letting you know the moment that becomes available. If you have any questions in the meantime, please feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks everyone, and talk to you soon.